think I've washed everything here. So I have my parsley. I have parsley. I have peas, carrots, and green beans. I've washed everything. Hey Samira, hello Kristen, welcome back. Yeah, so once this fries for a while, you go in with all of these vegetables. All of it. Tell me, is it already giving? Is it sending some messages to you? Because come on, why on earth you tell me you don't like this dish? Okay, is it giving? Is it sending some message? So some people will be like, I want to make broccolis, and they'll just do it like, hey, even you will not like it. But yeah, when it is made the right way. See it already. Can you see all those vegetables? Look at the way I'm stir frying them. Then you can go in with your spices. You know me with my natural spice, my cumin, my fennel, my black peppers, I like all of them. My coriander seed. I like cooking with these natural spices. You actually put it to taste, okay? You put it to taste. You can use your sea salt as well. Put in your seasoning cubes if necessary. Just in a very small quantity, okay? Let me give it a good mix. You can still add more spices, especially when you put the broccoli. You can put more spice. Because at this point, it is not time to put in your broccoli. So the broccoli is going in now. Okay, and give it a very good mix. Oh my God, even the color itself is giving. You are not going to overcook it. You will not overcook it. So colorful. I love it. So at this point, you want to still add either a seasoning cube or your salt, okay? Just so the broccoli will not be so somehow. So you just add it. Then another important step is to your eggs. Now the eggs you are putting in, because egg is the last thing you put when you're making your broccoli stir fry, okay? Some people don't like the eggs. It's not compulsory. Yeah, compulsory, yeah. So you spice your egg, okay? Or eggs, please. The S is necessary because not one egg. Then you mix it well. You mix it well. Whisk your eggs. I love eggs. Okay, good to know. So when you add eggs to your broccoli, oh my God, it's a game changer. Mabutu said, I love eggs. So adding eggs to it is a game changer.